Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DK. In this video, we will discuss regarding sample resume of Deloitte NLA mass hiring. It is announced off-campus and biggest hiring for the batches 2025 guys. So if you are in the final year and if you are graduating in the 2025, don't miss this opportunity. This opportunity open for undergraduate science, allied courses and engineering. So if you are from these courses, don't miss this opportunity. So in this video, let's discuss a step-by-step process that how to build a great resume to get upload a resume in a application of Deloitte NLA hiring. So guys, and also we will discuss regarding the opportunity, and I made a video regarding this opportunity guys. Don't worry, I will mention link in the description so that you can visit and you can apply for this opportunity. Let's see the format of resume guys. So guys, before discussing regarding resume format of Deloitte NLA, let us see the opportunity details guys. It is announced that off-campus hiring, and it is one of the biggest hiring guys. Don't miss this opportunity. I already made a video recording this opportunity. Once visit my channel and apply for this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. It is a national level assessment gateway 2. So registrations are open for the for undergraduate science, undergraduate commerce and allied courses and engineering, and recruitment process also they have provided here. First you have to register for this opportunity, and if you got shortlisted, then they will conduct online assessment, and finally they will conduct online interview. So after interview, they will confirm your final result guys. They also provided one video regarding NLA journey experiences. So before applying for this opportunity, carefully listen everything whatever I mentioned in the video. I made a separate video in my channel, so once visit my channel and watch it carefully. So they also provided like a resume format here. You can see how to create a great resume. If you click on learn more, it will be open like this. Here you can see every instruction they have provided regarding a great resume, that how to create a great resume that you have to mention your experience and skills and highlight your accomplishment. Your resume should include targeted content, and that is specific for the job you are applying for. As a fresher, and they are applying for the people who are in the final year 2025 batches. So resume should be recommended to keep a one-page resume only, and it should be simple and concise. So resume typically have 4 basic sections: profile or overview, skills or achievements, experience and education. So these are the main things have posted by Deloitte. Deloitte only mentioned in the official hiring. So first step, second step, third step and fourth step, fifth, sixth, every instruction they have provided that how to create a great resume guys. Here you can see first point that start at the top of your resume. Provide your name or contact information, including valid email address and calling number at the top left corner. So here you can see sample resume format. First left corner, you have to mention your name and contact number or email address. And the second point, immediately below your contact information, you have to provide a resume introduction or objective. So here you can see immediate after providing your contact number, you have to provide your objective, that is like an introduction. And the third point, highlight your skills. Provide a list of keywords that capture your technical and behavioral skills and competencies. For example, technical competencies Java, C++ and so on. So here you can see third point that you have to mention your skills, like if you have C++, Java, and behavioral skills, leadership, team player and so on. Fourth one, that is provide educational details. This section of the resume is for your educational or additional qualification and other relevant credentials. Consider starting the list from the most recent qualification, like if you have completed recently a graduation, that you have to first you have to mention your graduation, after that intermediate, after 10th, and provide the name and percentage or CGPA. So here you can see after providing your skills, fourth is educational qualification, and after that the fifth point is next up is your positions of responsibilities or certification, or if you have done any projects or any relevant work that you have to mention here. You can see after fourth point you have to mention your projects or any certification. And the final thing, that is other languages you are known, it is optional guys. This is the resume format guys. So before applying for this opportunity, we have to build a great resume, whatever this is also posted by Deloitte. So before applying for this opportunity, carefully read every requirement whatever they have posted here. in official hiring. Don't miss it.